Hey guys, it's Allison. First of all, Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a blessed new year. Today I'm filming another cleaning room video, and I know you guys are gonna ask me, Allison, how did your room get this dirty? Honestly, I don't even have the answer to that question. Like, my room just gets dirty. I don't know like what answer I could possibly like give you all. It just gets dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning it today. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long. I think it should take me like 3 hours, I think. I don't know, it's like 6 o'clock right now. I'm gonna aim for 9, but most likely I'm going to finish by 10 because my room is like it's pretty bad. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, it's pretty bad. Usually I'm like, it's not that bad, but it's that bad. I think everybody's definition of that bad is different. And for me, because I've seen how bad my room can get, like for me this is like bad, but like not like crazy, but it's like here. If this is like the worst your room can be, it's like about there. So yeah, if you guys want to see more cleaning room videos from me, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from me. Yeah, let's just get started. I'm gonna put my sheets in the laundry, and then I'm going to start off with this. I'm gonna start off with this little section of my room and kind of take it from there. Most likely I will move counterclockwise, but oh my gosh. Anyway, we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen, and I'm gonna go wash my sheets. So I do need to work a little bit faster. So I'm gonna try and finish like this little strip by 8 o'clock. Also, I'm just gonna put these 2 boxes on the side because I may be doing like a haul video. I'm not gonna go through any of these boxes. time. It is 8:54, so obviously I'm not gonna finish by 9. I feel like I'll probably finish it by 10:30, 11. My sheets still aren't done. But unfortunately, I accidentally bleached my sweater trying to bleach my sheets, so I'm really annoyed, but I mean, it is what it is. So like in every video, I always use this method wood cleaner to basically clean my floors. And I like to use like the wet Swiffer wipes with that to get them really clean. But for some reason, I think we ran out, or I just can't find my Swiffer wipes. So I'm going to be using these dry Swiffer wipes to first dust my floor. So I already started, it's pretty dusty. I don't even know why I just showed you guys that. But yeah, I'm just gonna dust around my room first, and then I'm going to switch this out and put a clean one on, and then I'm just gonna spray like the floor really good as I kind of just like clean my floor. This isn't the best solution. I mean, I guess this is a cleaner, so it's fine, but it's just not what I normally do. So here's a little quick overview of my room. Here's this side, quick little overview. And yeah, that's it, guys. I wanted to talk to you guys about whether or not you'd want to see my room transformation video. It's basically just like, I have a few clips of like me painting my room, building some furniture, but I don't have like every single thing that I did. So I'm not really sure if you guys want to see that. So definitely like vote in this card. I'm gonna put like here or here, and let me know if you guys want to see something like that. I do plan on changing my room pretty soon. I'm going to be adding like a few decorations, like changing up the decorations a little bit. So I think that will be a separate video. I feel like I'm making this more complicated than it needs to be. But yeah, if you guys want to see more cleaning room videos from me, definitely subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.